Hi guys, we're in my conservatory looking at my LED lights. These ones have been there for, I don't know, a year or so, maybe longer. These ones I've just changed the bulbs in. I think they're both Poundland bulbs, but these ones I'll have a look at closer with the camera in a minute, see if we can actually see. These seem to have a ring of LEDs and dark in the middle. These ones seem to be light in the middle, so they're a different arrangement of LEDs. I don't know if they're any brighter. My feeling is they're brighter, but we really can't tell just pointing the camera at it, especially when it goes out of focus. Let's see if I can get close up. Alright, if I play with the colour balance or the brightness, alright, oh, it's gone again. It was there for a minute. Right, dark in the middle and a ring of LEDs. That one looks like a central LED, doesn't it? So they are different. Whether there's any difference in the brightness, don't know. They're both rated at 5 watts, both types. I expect what I could do is take one of these apart, have a look inside. That's the ones I've just taken out, and that's one of the new ones. Right, I think we'll take these apart so we can see what the difference is between them. So this is the older one. I'm still pretty sure it came from Poundland originally. 5 watt electric. And the new one, also 5 watt, ultra bright. This one definitely came from Poundland because I just went and bought it for £1. So externally, they look pretty much identical. They both say 240 volt. That one says 220, 240. 50/60 hertz, 5 watt, 3000K. That one says 240 volt, 50 hertz, 5 watt, 3000K. That one says 100 degrees C, 360 LM, lumen, 16J. I don't know what the J is, joules. This one says 100 degrees, 360 LM, lumen again, same as that one. I think that says 46 or 45 milliamp. The camera won't really focus on that, will it? 20L at the end there. ST3, yeah, I don't know what those are. Anyway, so that's the old one, that's the new one. Sounds like plastic. I would think that's some sort of sealant around the edge. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Just wondering whether to put gloves on or not. I think In fact, I'm confident it is plastic, but I'll put gloves on just in case it's glass and it shatters. It's coming up quite easily. So yeah, plastic. Screwdriver would be handy. Right, bear with me a sec. Well, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 LEDs. So it's basically the same layout as the ordinary dome-shaped bulbs. There's our white sticky stuff. There's our circuit board. Somehow those will be connected to those bits. So, I don't think I need the gloves. They all look okay. I can't see any black spots in them. Aluminium backplate. I have desoldered these in the past. The easiest way to do it is just hold them over a hot flame. That heats up the aluminium backplate and they just drop off. So a capacitor, electrolytic, 10 microfarad, 250 volts. Another capacitor. I know Big Clive refers to them as snubber networks or something. A couple of resistors and a chip. And a couple of other little resistors. I think the chip is actually, I'm guessing here, is actually a rectifier bridge. I think. That would make sense, wouldn't it? AC coming in through the rectifier, DC to the LEDs. But nothing particularly useful there, unless you wanted a rectifier. So what's the difference between that one and this one? Well, can you think of any use for those little plastic discs? Not really. Well, straight, the obvious difference there is it's only got 5 LEDs in it. And they're in the middle. So when I was showing you the camera looking straight at them, that's why this was dull in the middle, because it had got a circle of LEDs. This one's bright in the middle, because it's got the LEDs right in the middle. Got 2009 date there. No obvious date on there. This is sealed in with sticky rather than screwed in. And we got 2 chips on it. I'm guessing that one's the rectifier again. rectifier bridge. And that one, don't know, but I expect it's a controller of some sort that does away, possibly, with all those other bits. Let's dig in and have a look. Doesn't want to come out so easily. It doesn't want to come out at all. That's the same. Got the wires tagged on the bottom. Oh, that one's pulled right through. That one's come off at the other end. This one appears to have an aluminium inner section. Oh yeah, that one has as well, to dissipate the heat. But this one appears to be glued in place rather than screwed in place. And it doesn't want to pop out. I would guess those two bits are the other ends of those wires that I've pulled out the bottom. Some sort of push the wire through and it grips it. Right, might have to be a bit more forceful here to get it out. Still got a capacitor on the bottom. Push that out now. That's it. Right, so capacitor, say into the one-way connector there. Just push it in and it grips. And then the power went into there. We'll have a close-up, see if we can see that chip. Yeah, so I think that's the diode bridge. And we've got a few resistors on there. Resistor, capacitor. This one has got surface mount resistors and whatever that is. Oh, the only other thing is I've just noticed that lead going down to the AC input has got a resistor in circuit there. In line. Right, that's what was in there, which would replace probably that one. Possibly, maybe. Right, there we go. So that's two, whatever they were, GU10 or something. Yeah, GU10 bulbs taken apart just to compare them, see what the difference is. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.